Okay, I'm going to move this back here because I want to be able to get this pipe out and up. So I need to cut this here. Which is going to make my life a whole lot easier. Obviously, to do that, I'm going to take off there. This is going to be easier. All I'm doing here is I'm clearing off the burr, which, no, basically stop the pipe from clogging up. When it's in use. That's why we love push fit people. Push fit peoples. And I just need to cut that there. These tools make everything so much easier. So here I have that. I'm going to do a cut. I'm going to throw the next stuff in. And really need to make sure I got the length on that. If I hit that joint, it becomes all printed up. So that's my minimum there. We want 70. And this is what we got here. Just the tiniest bit of white paste. This stuff is gas and water joining compound. Brilliant stuff. Amazing. Give it a nice squeeze up. Olive against. This is a nut. You're probably going, oh, why didn't you just get it on, Ciaran? Wow, guys. 150. Okay. That's really awkward. Will that stay back enough? I do not know. But that goes in quite nicely there. Methinks. So I want a piece of pipe for 40. So, this first time I measured this, okay. That's this back center here. See that? I've never seen that before. Apart from them, so using recycles sensors. Okay, ready? Okay, so this definitely needs to be shortened. I need to shorten that up. Let's find out. And that's this black center here. See that? I've never seen that before. I reckon they must be using recycled centers. So what I'll see here is where the drawer falls, but I think it might be a break. We shall see. So we're going to try and get... Jesus. Get our olive on. Olive on. Bit of paste. Now. Then that goes in there. Just have to keep that straight. Yes, joint. Right, so I know that that one turns because that's on A, and I know that that one turns, so I can tighten these up any which way I want. Nice and easy. All I have to do is grab it here. So like I was saying, I'll turn any way I want. As you can see, the isolations are off because I'm going to go down and turn on the water this evening so that everything fits. I have to level up the basin a bit. That's right. But my main concern at 4:15 is that those two are off, checked. And I can put the water back on.